cooking vloggers, welcome back again to my channel, to my kitchen. If you are new here, a very warm welcome to you guys. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, share and like this video. So today guys, we're making the fluffiest, most jiggly Soufflé pancakes you've ever seen. So let's get started. Just like you've seen, for the ingredients we have all-purpose flour, baking powder, flavor, evaporated milk, sugar, eggs and salt. These are the few simple ingredients you need to achieve the fluffiest Soufflé pancakes. So I used 2 eggs for this recipe. Separate the yolk from the egg white, and into the yolk we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. So you see what I did there just now? I'm trying to show you here that I washed the tin before trying to open it. So always wash your tin before opening. So at this stage, you can make use of your tin opener. If you don't have like me, make use of your knife.
You'll never be alone. Come and join the fun. Come and taste the cheer. Cooking joy together.
After pouring in the milk, going with any flavor of your choice. For this, I made use of 1/8 spoon of buttermilk flavor and another 1/8 spoon of vanilla flavor. But you are free to use any flavor of your choice. After pouring them in with a whisk, give this a gentle mix. Mix everything to incorporate together. After mixing, set aside. And for the egg white, with your mixer, give this a thorough mix. If you don't have a mixer, feel free to use your whisk or a fork, but this is going to take enough time. So while whisking the egg white, add your sugar bit by bit. So one of the reasons we do this is to improve stability. Now just keep adding your sugar bit by bit.
Flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for.
So you know your egg white is ready when you have a stiff peak just like so. So if you like, transfer the mixed yolk into another bowl. But if you can work with the previous one, no problem at all. Just sift your flour into it. And for this recipe, I made use of a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Just make sure you sift your flour. For this measurement of flour, you make use of 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So just sift this. After sifting, with a whisk, gently mix everything to incorporate. Always remember that you don't overmix your batter for your pancake. So I'm just going to be doing this not too rigorously but gently. So while mixing this, I decided to add 1 more tablespoon of evaporated milk into the mixture. Now let's bring everything together. Add half of the beaten egg white into the yolk mixture. Gently fold it in. Take note, this process lightens the base. After gently folding that in, add the remaining beaten egg white and fold carefully. Just fold this just as I'm doing in this video, because we want to keep as much air in the batter as possible. So at this stage, it's not even compulsory that everything will be all folded into the yolk mixture.
Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah.
So as you can see, we still have some egg whites. So for frying, preheating your pan, preferably non-stick pan. Put it in the lowest heat possible and lightly grease it with a bit of oil or butter. Using a large spoon or ice cream scoop, gently place the batter into the pan. If possible, try to make a tall mold. Now to make this taller, you can stack a little more butter on top after a minute of cooking. You guys should watch the way I was struggling to stack this.
Join the fun. Come and taste the cheer. Cooking joy together. The love is always here. Smiles on the faces. Hearts open wide. This is where the flavors and the family collide. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door. Taste the joy. Feel the love. Family at the core. From your journey to the world. Flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Hey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get out. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door. Taste the joy. Feel the love. Family.
So here, the spoon wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I kept that aside. I brought in my piping bag. So for this particular pancake recipe, personally, I feel piping bag is best for this. So I brought out my piping bag, cooked enough butter that I can work with into it, and then I started frying again. So just gently take a look at what I'm doing here. This method is very simple and easy to work with. So just keep piping your butter on the pan in a circular motion so it can form kind of like a tall mold.
Nigerian to the world, flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, taste the joy, feel the love. From Nigeria to the world, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for.
Now, here is the secret. Add a tablespoon of water to the empty spaces in the pan and cover it with a lid. The reason for this is it creates steam, which helps the pancake rise like a souffle. Now, cook slowly for about 4 to 5 minutes on the first side. So when the edges look slightly set and the top is a bit dry, gently flip the pancake using a wide spatula. So while making this pancake, I was doing something else and I almost had a burnt pancake. Now, while flipping this pancake, always have in mind that they are very delicate. This is not the usual pancake. These particular ones are way softer and fluffier than the usual pancake you know. So while handling this, you should be very careful.
Yeah, that's what we're for. Stir the pot, hear the laughter, smell the spice. Every dish is a story, every moment.
So now, just because I'm trying to get a taller mold here, what I just do is keep adding the butter bit by bit. After a minute of adding the previous one,
Come and taste the cheer. Cooking joy together, the love is always here. Smiles on the faces, hearts open wide. This is where the flavors and the family collide. Chicken vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love. Family at the core, from Nigeria to the world. Flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love. Family at the core, from Nigeria to the world. Flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for.
see how fresh these pancakes look. These pancakes are not as tall as I want them, but believe me when I tell you, this pancake is one of the fluffiest pancakes I have had in my whole existence. And I'm going to try out this pancake recipe again. You must get that very tall souffle pancakes. So for the topping, I drizzled in some pancake syrup. You can dust in powdered sugar on this, or even add a dollop of whipped cream and top with fresh strawberries. We've come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. I love you all. Bye.